as I was entering the working world, I started to think a lot about my education journey, and I realized a lot of the things I was doing in my work, I was never really taught. How do we actually think about learning and about preparing little people for the future of work and the way, and especially now with the rapid way in which the world is changing. So if you look at the problems that we are seeing specifically in tertiary education, is that a lot of students enter first year with fundamental gaps in physics and maths. And one of the projects we're specifically doing is an intervention where we have a lecturer that is using Mindjoy with 100 students to help them with some really advanced second year engineering mathematics. And so seeing the impact there in terms of actually helping students be successful in these quite hard subject fields is really exciting, and that's one of the projects we're doing at the university.
I use Mindjoy for a maths module. It's helped me very much with understanding the concept of the module itself. It has helped me on how to attempt a question in the module, and it also helped me on how to approach notes, writing down of the notes in the module. What's important, what to focus on, what not to focus on. When interacting with Mindjoy, it does not feel like interacting with a computer, because instead of just popping out answers, it will give you a background and then ask if, do you understand this? Do you need me to explain further? It will try to understand what you don't understand.
The difference that Mindjoy is making in the everyday life of a lecturer and the professor is it enables creative, innovative practices and ways of executing work. And that makes a difference because you can focus your time on those things that make a difference. You can focus your time on creating things for which your intellectual input is really valued and useful.
Before Mindjoy, it was a bit challenging figuring out exactly what the structure will be of my lesson. But now with Mindjoy, I can quickly ask it to set it in such a way that it's structured and that I know exactly what examples to use so that the student can actually understand what we are doing.
What's so exciting about engaging with Mindjoy is that it's a journey. And we are finding solutions, we're finding answers as we go along. So what excites me is all of the magnitude of things that I know we will still be able to learn, and that I know that we are on a journey to unlock those.
Through the Mastercard Foundation EdTech Fellowship program, we've gotten a lot of support for monitoring and evaluation and mentoring that has improved our own internal processes, and that's helped us really prove our impact, and that has grown our reach. So at the beginning of the program we had about 10,000 users, and now we're at 20, so we've basically doubled our reach throughout the program, and yeah, we're really excited about our continuous growth.